In this video I'll show how to install and use the Leading Edge series Gritomatic spacer block for the workshop Precision Adjust. That's basically just to ensure that your clamp and the magnetic holder doesn't flex excessively while sharpening. All the flex that the system has really affects the sharpening angle, and just the little spacer block helps this clamp be rock solid, and you can achieve much more accurate sharpening angles. So let's just remove the stone holder. All you need to do is rounded area will be at the bottom, and the little recess, the two bars, just slots into right behind where the clamp is in the Precision Adjust clamp. The Gritomatic logo points forward towards the knife. All I'm doing here is I'm holding it into position with my fingers like this, pop it down at the bottom, slot in the magnets, and you can see it's as solid as can be. The sharpening angle won't change while you're sharpening your knife. To rotate it, the easiest way is really just to pinch both the block and the holder itself, remove it from the magnets, rotate it around, hold it, slot it back, and continue sharpening. As easy as that. So just again, removal, pull it out, flip the knife around, and pop it back into position.